Have you ever seen an AI tool that doesn't just answer questions or write emails, but actually negotiates contracts, schedules meetings, compares legal documents, and then closes a multi-million-dollar deal without a human touching the keyboard? Sounds impossible, right? Well, that is exactly what just happened. An AI agent recently completed a full business negotiation cycle and secured a contract worth over $10 million. No human sales rep, no legal team, no project manager. Just a fully autonomous AI agent running task chains, sending emails, analyzing offers, drafting proposals, and executing the final agreement. And the craziest part, this is only the beginning. Because the entire AI agent ecosystem is moving toward a future where machines don't just assist us, they act for us. In today's deep dive, we're going to break down what actually happened. How an AI agent pulled off a deal that normally takes an entire department. What this means for businesses. Why investors are freaking out. And how this moment marks the beginning of a new era, the era of autonomous business. Buckle up, because this isn't science fiction anymore. This is happening right now. The moment everything changed. Let's start with the story. A fast-growing enterprise software company wanted to test how far agentic AI could go. Not chatbot AI, not workflow automation. Actual autonomous agents capable of reasoning, planning, deciding, and acting. They deployed a multi-agent system. One agent specialized in research, one in negotiation, one in pricing, one in legal, one in compliance, and one in communication. Each agent communicated with the others, shared files, exchanged reasoning, and executed tasks like a real team. Then they gave the system a challenge. Secure a deal with one of the company's biggest potential clients. A deal that required multi-step communication, document review, competitive comparison, risk analysis, and contract drafting. The company expected the AI to maybe start the email chain, maybe gather information, maybe help with initial research. But what happened next shocked everyone. The AI didn't just write the first email. It ran the entire negotiation process. The agent identified decision makers, contacted them, evaluated the client's needs, compared pricing structures, generated a customized proposal, and negotiated back and forth across 12 email rounds. Yes, 12 rounds. All autonomous. When the client asked questions, the AI agent responded instantly. When they requested feature breakdowns, the AI pulled all files. When they asked for a discount, the AI evaluated margins and counteroffered. When they asked for a contract, the AI legal agent drafted a compliant agreement with 0 errors. And in the end, the client accepted, signed, and executed payment. A $10 million contract, closed by an AI agent. This was the moment the company realized. SaaS wasn't just changing. Sales wasn't just changing. Business itself was changing. How an AI agent works behind the scenes. To understand how this deal happened, we need to understand what an AI agent actually is. An AI agent is not just a model. It is a combination of reasoning, planning, tools, memory, autonomy. Imagine the difference like this. A chatbot responds. An agent acts. A chatbot gives information. An agent uses information to complete tasks. A chatbot gives ideas. An agent executes projects. This is why agents are so powerful. They combine LLM intelligence with action pipelines. They use frameworks like React, tree of thought, reflection, multi-agent orchestration, long-term memory, autonomous planning loops. They run tool calls. They browse the web. They analyze files. They write code. They send emails. They make schedules. They run workflows. In other words, they don't just think, they do. So when you assign an agent a business goal, like securing a contract, it can break the goal into steps. Assign tasks to subagents. Execute actions. Evaluate results. And repeat cycles until the objective is completed. This is exactly how the $10 million deal happened. Why this changes everything for business. Let's be brutally honest. Traditional enterprise sales is slow. A single deal, can take months of follow-ups, multiple departments, hundreds of emails, meetings, calls, legal reviews. One AI agent eliminated all of that. And here's why this matters. 1. Speed becomes a superpower. A human salesperson might respond in a day. An AI agent responds in seconds. A client request for details might take a week. An AI can gather everything and reply instantly. Speed alone increases close rates significantly.
2. Zero fatigue, zero ego, zero emotion.
AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't get frustrated. It doesn't make emotional decisions. It negotiates purely on logic and strategy. This makes deal-making consistent, predictable, and much higher quality. 3. Deep knowledge across domains.
Human specializa.
AI agents can store infinite product knowledge, legal knowledge, pricing knowledge, market knowledge. They never forget, never lose track, never miss details. This makes them far more reliable for high-stakes negotiations. 4. They scale infinitely. One human rep can manage maybe 30 accounts. One AI agent can manage thousands simultaneously. This means enterprise sales teams will shrink, sales expenses will shrink, close rates will rise, pipeline velocity will rise. This isn't automation. This is economic transformation. 5. Businesses save millions on labor. A single enterprise sales rep can cost
Salary,
commission, bonuses,
benefits,
training. AI agents do the work for the cost of GPU compute. This is why CFOs are paying attention. This is why investors are paying attention. This is why enterprises are panicking. The economics are too powerful to ignore. The technology behind the deal. So how exactly did the agent achieve this? Let's break down the capabilities. Multi-step reasoning. Agents can chain thoughts, evaluate options, plan responses, correct themselves, and escalate complexity. This is far beyond simple LLM output. Memory systems. Short-term memory, long-term memory, vector memory for semantic recall, retrieval enhanced memory. This lets agents maintain context across days or weeks. Tool use. Agents used. Email APIs, CRM APIs, document analysis tools, legal model fine-tuning, spreadsheet tools, pricing engines. This makes them act like full digital employees. Self-correction loops. Agents rewrite their own mistakes, reevaluate failed attempts, run corrective reasoning. This allows continuous improvement. Multi-agent collaboration. Research agent receives task. Negotiation agent drafts communication. Legal agent reviews proposals. Compliance agent validates requirements. Communication agent sends messaging. This is a digital workforce. Guardrails and ethical constraints. Agents follow policy rules, compliance rules, contract rules, security rules. Nothing is free form. Everything is controlled. This makes them safe for enterprise use. Why companies are about to replace entire departments. You might think this technology is limited, experimental, not scalable. But the truth is, companies are already quietly testing AI-only teams,
sales teams,
support teams, recruiting teams, finance teams, research departments. AI agents are writing job descriptions, screening resumes, running onboarding, managing customer support queues, handling Tier 1 and Tier 2 tickets, building documentation, writing internal notes, running product analysis. The $10 million deal wasn't an accident. It was the first visible proof that AI agents can outperform human departments. And here's the critical point. The agent didn't need training, didn't need weekends, didn't need time off, didn't need onboarding. It just needed a goal. This is why enterprise leaders are paying attention. Because we're entering a world where organizations operate with smaller teams, bigger margins, faster cycles, and AI-driven efficiency. The economic impact nobody is ready for. This shift isn't just a tech trend. It is an economic earthquake. 1. The cost of doing business will collapse. Sales costs, support costs, administrative costs, legal review costs, all drop from millions to thousands. 2. Barriers to entry disappear. Startups can look like enterprises. Indie founders can compete with corporations. Teams of one can accomplish the work of a team of 50. This levels the playing field. 3. Enterprise value explodes. Companies that adopt AI agents will grow faster, raise valuations, reduce burn, scale globally. Those who don't will evaporate. 4. New categories of business emerge. Agent-powered consulting, agent-managed customer success, agent-first SaaS products, agent-led negotiation services, end-to-end autonomous operations. We're about to witness business models we've never seen before. Why this $10 million deal is just the beginning. Let me be honest. This isn't the peak. This is the first ripple. In the next 12 months, we will see
AI closing enterprise contracts,
AI managing product launches, AI running customer onboarding, AI generating entire marketing funnels,
AI handling investor relations, AI performing due diligence, AI negotiating partnerships, AI supervising other AI agents.
And soon, AI will run complete divisions inside companies, with human oversight, not human execution. This moment, the first major AI close deal, will be remembered as the turning point. The point where AI stopped being a tool and started being a performer. What this means for you. Because here's the real question. Where are you in this transformation? Are you building, using, or ignoring
AI agent?
Because whichever choice you make today will define your future career and business. If you are a founder, agents can help you scale your startup like a Fortune 500 company. If you are a professional, agents will amplify your output, make you 10 times more valuable, and help you stay future-proof. If you're an entrepreneur, agents open doors to new businesses that were impossible before. If you're ignoring AI, you're risking becoming obsolete. This is the biggest shift since the internet. And the people who adopt now will dominate the next decade. An AI agent closing a $10 million deal was shocking. But it wasn't magic. It was the natural next step in the evolution of intelligence. Humans think, but humans also act. AI used to only think. Now it acts. This is the new age of autonomous systems. And this is only the beginning. If you want the next video explaining how to build your own AI agent, how to deploy autonomous workflows, and how to build a business where AI handles 80% of operations, just comment, make the agent video, and I'll drop it.